All right, so we are going to see two ways to solve this problem 570 lead code. Now we are given with this employee table. What we need to do is we need to find all the manager IDs where all the IDs where it is the manager of the of at least five employees, right? It should be the manager of at least five employees. For example, here 101 is the person which is the manager of these five people. So we need to return this, right? So we will have to two ways to do this. First way we are starting now. So we have this table. We will be selecting something. Okay, from employee E1, right? We will do an inner join on employee E2. Okay, so we have these two tables. One is this side, other is this side. Okay. What we need to do is we need to make sure that this ID is equal to manager ID. So E1.id should be equal to E2. E1.id should be equal to E2.manager ID. Okay. Now we know that this row will come before this row because the manager ID is the same. So so you can see that this row will be in the left hand side and in front this row will be in the right hand side. Okay. This row will be uh, this row will be in the left hand side and this row will be on the right hand side. Right. This is on the left, this is on the right because ID and manager ID are the same. Right. So we will get only five rows which are having all this 101 as ID because this won't be there in inner join, right? It will match both the IDs and manager ID should be the same. There is no manager ID named 102, so this row will not be in the left hand side for anything, right? This will be the only thing in the left. So let's try to run this and see what is the output. So here the output is this. See, no 102 in the left. So we know that this 101, this Dan has 10 as his manager, James has 101. So this 101 is the manager of Dan, James is the manager of this, and this. Now, what we can see here is we need to group all these things by the manager ID, right? Or ID, anything will work because both are the same, right? So we will do group by what? ID, event.id, let's do this, where the event.id's count should be greater than equal to 5. That should be it, right? Okay, so we have got whole thing. We just need the name to be there, right? So we'll select the name. So event.name we will select because name is in the both the tables, right? Now, this was the first approach. The second approach is a simpler approach, right? So we will select the name from the employee, right? Where the ID should be in. Now we will select all the IDs which are more than five or more times in the manager ID. So we'll select the manager IDs from the employee table. right? Having what? We will do group by manager ID, having count of manager ID greater than equal to 5. So this query should also give the same result. And we need to make sure that this null is not counted. So where the manager ID is not null. All right, this also does work.